automatically the client is benefiting in the experience, journey, delivery, and to finally arrive to a place and say, this is the perfect home for me. To us, design is an umbrella that really connects the dots together. It's experiencing life. At Kandra Design House, we really peel the onion, in other words, and really dig deep with any concept that we work with. We're very excited to start this beautiful relationship with Orascom Development, creating Guna Plus together. I think this is something that's going to add an edge to being in this place and being in Guna. Choosing and tailoring a good step-by-step or process between الشخص اللي بيسلم العميل والعميل بيبقى حابب يشتغل معاه. لما بتنشأ العلاقة دي ما بينهم أو بتجمعهم مع بعض, automatically the client is benefiting in the experience, journey, delivery, and to finally arrive to a place and say, this is the perfect home for me. We honestly cannot wait to see all the success happen, because really we are writing a success story together. Yani, this is something that's going to be down in history as step-by-step procedure to allow for all Guna residents to actually become harmonized with everything beautiful about Guna. Special and unique idea that I think implementing it right now is one of the dire needs that we have. So super excited. Thank you for having us.